It's TamikaTimesThree again with the mid-week hair maintenance for toddlers. Let's get right in. I'm going to be using my mane and tail detangler. I know this is a throwback for some of you who know mango and lime Jamaican island oil and my handy dandy Denman brush. I just missed her hair with it. And the trick to taking down twist is just to go in the opposite direction of the twist, and I gently unbraid the root. You can probably see I'm gently removing the lint. Toddlers, they tend to collect a lot of lint in their hair period, but yeah, she's still small, so she likes to lay on the carpet and everywhere else. But I like the detangler because it actually dampens the hair. Well, not really dampens it, but it works better than water. That's what we always use. Never mind me. I'm rambling about probably the food cooking in the kitchen and something else. Just getting all the tangles out. It pretty much was detangled already since it was in twist. My son, he's an artist over there. He likes to draw, makes his own shoes, and oh, I got a little close. Never mind my wig. I just came from working at a warehouse for 10 hours. So I look a little rough. But anyway. Just untwist the rope twist. And the hair is already pretty much detangled. I just use a detangler to have moisture. And see, her hair is coarse like mine right there, so that's why I'm taking my time. It knotted up at that part of her hair. I'm just rambling. All right, back to the music. Detangling, you work from the ends of the hair to the root. People wonder, some people wonder when we're out and they see how much hair she actually has. I'm just very patient when it comes to detangling because I know that's a huge culprit, probably the number one culprit for children's hair not growing or what have you. But I went to get the comb because I wanted to clean up her parts and have a neater look. And I'm gonna braid it, basically cornrow it, and then go all the way down the length of the hair with braiding it. I take my time. She's tender-headed, as I stated before, like me. And she's doing good right here. She's doing good. And I noticed with the braid, I can actually see the full length of her hair. And this style tends to last longer. Hubby is about to hold the camera so we can get up close and personal. I'm trying to do the YouTube thing like other people. But anyway, that was a little part that I left out. Little piece of hair. Twist in the opposite direction so you won't cause breakage. We want no breakage if possible. Hence why we're doing the midweek maintenance. There's a little buildup and some lint there. That's normal. put the oil on it so it'll give some slip and it won't tangle. Warning, we're about to come up on some hostile territory. She's gonna feel me pull. Parts in the yard may not always be right the first time. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. I fixed it. I'm sorry. I fixed it, okay? Look, I put some on. Yep. That's better? Yeah. Okay. No, it's not gonna hurt. That's the rice saying it's done, y'all. All right. Okay, we done.
Damn broth all over the damn place.
Mama talking.
Yeah, you are talking. What else you want to say?
A bed.
You go to bed?
Yes.
Yes.
Y'all can go to bed. It's so ugly. Like your mouth was your nose, your neck, your ears, and ugly.
Alrighty. Now I'm just looking at her length, the length of her hair, and then onto the fun stuff. These are the ouchless bows. They don't have the metal clasp that catch and break the hair. So I love them. I want to say thank you guys for tuning in, for visiting my channel, for watching the video, and would like for you to subscribe and click the bell so you can be down with the notifications. I know I love notifications. All right, it's TamikaTimesThree. Peace.